Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Sumaya Najim. Welcome to All Things Daisy. Today we are going to make Gnanakatha, that is called in Sri Lanka, or ghee biscuits with 3 main ingredients. Take 3/4 cup of ghee, 1 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of ground sugar or icing sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and plums or sprinkles to decorate. In a clean bowl, take all the ingredients like icing sugar or the ground sugar, the ghee, the flour, the pinch of salt, and the baking soda and make a dough. Although I have shown a cup of ghee, I have only used 3/4 of it. So go for the measurements mentioned. It's always better to add the ghee little by little so the dough wouldn't be too sticky. The dough shouldn't stick in hands. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Always use the oil paper so that you don't make any mess. Make balls and flatten them. Actually, you can make this to any shape you want. Like if you want a bump on it, you don't flat it, but keep a bump. To the mentioned measurement, I could make around 25 ghee biscuits. This is my favorite part, decorating. You can either keep plums or sprinkles or anything you like to top it. So now it's time to bake. Put it in the preheated oven. You have to only bake for 10 minutes in 180 Celsius. After the 10 minutes, open it and take a spoon or fork and move the biscuits. If it comes off like this, the biscuits are ready. Don't worry if it is still soft. Anyways, it's going to be soft. Once you take it out and keep it to cool, it will get harder. Now the Sri Lankan Gnanakathas are ready. I have also made a bumpy ones with sprinkles. It would be like this. You can try it either ways. If you like my videos, like it, share it with your friends, comment your thoughts and subscribe to All Things Daisy.